Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is wash day for my baby girl and I will be using my shampoo and conditioner bar, which is available now on my website. You can get the 2.5 ounce bars, which will be a unicorn shape, which I am using in this video. And look at that lather from the shampoo. And also really quick, I'm trying to record and do this with one hand, so bear with me you guys. Alright, so now this is what it looks like with the shampoo rinsed out, and then I will be taking my 2.5 ounce conditioner bar, which is also available on my website. The bar is water activated, so you want to make sure that your hair is thoroughly wet when you use it, and if you're in the shower, I think that's the best because you can keep your hair highly moisturized while using the bar. And then you want to allow it to sit on the hair for 3 to 4 minutes. I normally just give my head a good massage, and then you can start to detangle, and it will detangle easily and leave your hair feeling so soft and hydrated, and just like you use conditioner out of a bottle. Trust me. Alright, so as you can see, I've been massaging her hair for 3 to 4 minutes, just getting the conditioner bar activated, and then I'm taking my favorite detangling brush for her hair, and I am detangling her hair, and as you can see, it detangles easily. There's no pulling or anything. She's chilling, and this time I had help from Major with the recording, so that's why you can see both hands, and then yeah, back to one. Alright, so now I'm just rinsing the conditioner out of her hair, and once I'm done, you can see that her hair instantly looks hydrated, it's soft, it's shiny, and I will put it up in a ponytail just so you can see, but I will be going to condition the rest of her hair. And sorry I didn't get to record that, things have been very busy for me, but I hope that you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to shop our website for your hair care and skincare needs, and here's the link. Thanks for watching.